Hi everyone, welcome back to Brook Life, or hello for the first time. So I've had some new toys lately, archery wise. First of all, I got my new H7 riser from Junxing through China Archery, the shop online. Came quickly, still very good condition. Yeah, I've put it on the bow, I've not shot it yet, haven't had a chance with my normal day work. I've got my Nika N3 limbs, which I'm going to shoot through it. I've sort of set it up, but yeah, it's all ready to go, and I'll test that out in a following video and see how things go, and then we'll carry on doing what we're doing. Now, the other package I had, you may see just behind me there and there, Nika Archery from China, Elong Archery I think it is, has sent me for free. Yeah, not been paid to do it, but they've sent it to me for free. So this is a gifted item, or gifted items, a couple of their products to test out and to review on here. Now, one thing is their new C2 limbs. So I'm going to put them onto my old Hoyt Nexus and I will shoot with those. They're 68, it will make a 68-inch bow, so they're medium limbs, rated at £30. So yeah, it'll be like my indoor set, and I can use even my 700 or 800 arrows with them, so they'll be fine. These are the new, let me just take that out of the way, the new Nika C2 limbs. There we go. High performance, Stirner wrapper, professional carbon limbs, professional technology, £30. As you can see, straight out the box, not done anything with them. They'll be going on my bow. So here we are, beautiful day, bit of breeze, but I'm only at about 5 to 8 meters, testing out the new limbs from Nika, which they've been brilliant, and they've kindly gifted them to me to review them. Plus, in another video, I'll be reviewing a few other things that they've sent me. Yep, so they did send it to me for free, so I'll put that out there now. However, if they're crap, I'll tell you they're crap. If they're good, I'll tell you they're good. If they're anything like the ones we've already done, sweet. So here we go. I've put them onto my Hoyt Nexus, because on both of my Junxing bows now I've got my 40-pound Uka HX10 Evo 2 limbs. That's my outdoor competition bow, which I'm nowhere near fit enough to shoot at the moment. And my indoor bow, which I'll be doing a video on possibly next, has the N3 Progress limbs with the H7 riser, and we'll see how they go. So let's get the tab on. I've not drawn this bow back yet. This will be the first time. So I'm using the 700 arrows. Well, that first shot, yeah, it did take me a little bit to get through the clicker, but just what you want when you're doing a video is someone using the chainsaw. Great timing. So hopefully you can hear me and that doesn't distract you too much. However, back to the limbs. Really smooth to draw through. up to full draw, lock in at the anchor point and then expand. Perfect timing. Expand and it smoothed through the clicker, which was cool. And then when I shot it, crikey, I think that is quieter than the N3 and my Ukas put together. There was nothing, it was dead. You might have seen when I first got them out, I said they had the C3s, the C1s had the carbon on them. These are just matte. Yeah, matte black all the way through. And they're resin and 10% carbon. The N3s are 55% carbon, and I think the C1s are 10% as well. However, if you look on the website, and I'll put all of the links down below to the Nika website, they also do these in white, matte white. Now, if you're going for the white, and I know a lot of people do buy stuff because of the colours and stuff like that, I've got black on my other ones, black and red, which is what I like. The white might be something to look at. But so far, that first shot, smooth and so quiet. I'm really impressed. So let's stick another couple through here. Sorry about the noise. I'm quite shocked. The limbs themselves, at the moment they're 100. I think I'll put the link, or I'll show you the price of them at the moment. They are on sale. I think normally they're $160-ish, $169 US, but at the moment they're going for 129 US. From when I spoke to Nika, because they contacted me after I left a good review for them, it took about a week to get from China to here in New Zealand, and that is pretty good because we're at the back end of Beyond and everyone forgets about us. So this is after that shoot from the first time with these C2 limbs. Now I've just shot the bow again. I wanted to give it another go, and I've been thinking, and yeah, these C2 limbs, I've already said they're smooth and they're quiet, very quiet, but they're also stable. Now I'm in a dilemma now. They're very stable and they shoot really well. So for close distance, where I'm shooting at the moment, 18 meters, they are, I would say, more forgiving than the N3s. I know it's a big call, but this is how I'm feeling at the moment. The N3s are extremely fast, but these new C2s are, I will check them through the chrono when I get some good weather, and I will try and get them shooting at the same poundage, and because the C2s are 30 pounds and I think the N3s are 28, so I can adjust here and there to get them shooting the same poundage. Using the same arrows, the 4.2mm, the radius 800s, or the Victory VAP 700s, whichever shoots best from them. But yeah, I'm in a big dilemma now. So which ones do I use? Yes, the C2s are half the price. So are they half as good? No. The N3s are fast. They're stable. They're smooth. Not as quiet as the C2s. That's because of the speed, but they are thinner for width wise. Yeah, I don't know how they've done it. The C2s are a great little limb for a really good price. As I said, I'm quite shocked how good they are. If I'd had them when I was starting, yeah, I would have been in hog's heaven. And then when I went to bigger distances, if I had the N3s, I would have been even happier. My first bow, if you've seen before, I got my Hoyt Nexus and some Hoyt G3 limbs at the time. They were top of the range, foam limb, and yeah, they felt good. But nowadays, with all these new materials out there, carbon, still got the foam, still got bamboo, still got maple coming through, but these things are pretty good. Yes, they were gifted to me, but if they were crap, I'd tell you, trust me. But yeah, I'm impressed. So again, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like, subscribe. There's plenty more to come. We may have a little competition between subscribers and see how we get on. And it's not just a competition, it's going to help us help with our archery and get scores and stuff like that, but that'll be in another video. So keep shooting, have a great day, catch you next time, bye bye.